Well, hey, all, thank you so much for choosing to watch my video on these TANBABY garage lights. Now, the manufacturer calls them garage lights, but I use them for something else that has saved me a ton of money, and I'll share that with you coming up. But also, I'm going to share with you how many years, that's right, I said years, how many years the manufacturer expects these lights to last. Come on, let's get started. This is the amount of light I had in my garage with a 100-watt light bulb. And this is what my garage looks like with these LED lights. Now, one of the great features of these lights is their adjustable panels, which can be raised to aim the light exactly where it's needed most. Let's take a closer look at these lights, and as you can see, they're designed with vents to help keep the LEDs cool. According to the manufacturer, this prolongs their lifespan to an estimated 50,000 hours. To put that into perspective, if they were on 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, they'd last about 5.7 years. We are all familiar with the old style 60-watt and 100-watt light bulbs. These LED garage lights are equivalent to a 2,000-watt incandescent bulb, making them incredibly energy efficient since they use the same amount of electricity as an old-style 150-watt bulb. I've been making videos for over 20 years, and these LED garage lights have proven to be an excellent alternative to expensive studio lights. I use them in my garage and in my studio. They work like a champ, and I highly recommend them. Thanks for watching.